Matt.
Our visitor. So, kid, come here first. Kid Makto. Okay, kids, wait, Anna. We will have a picture together with our visitors and then to our Richfield family and daycare kids. Okay? So,
Take a look at Mama. Look at Mama. Touch it.
Kid,
That's all.
kid here.
Uy, nadlok kayo na nato na karoon.
Mapapicture kita upon sa aton mga honorable, sa aton Richfield family parents and sa aton daycare kids. Dali ka, excuse me, anay kids. Oh, dali lang, kid. Okay, wait, anay. So, ang muna, puro anay mapapicture isang aton mga honorable together with the daycare kids. Okay? So, may we request Mr. Trex or Tupad kasi yes, together with them. Okay. So, daycare kids, everybody, arrange yourselves here. Mapapicture kita dito. Sige na. Okay. Ang iba ay lang sa dalom. Ayan, orange na. Okay. The smaller one, this is front na so, teacher na join na. Everybody face here. Ganito na tuba. Kids. Everybody. Kids. Mommies, kindly assist your kids. Kindly arrange them.
Matt.
Okay, everybody, face in the